The definition of positive momentum. Positive momentum is built on the positive sales-related actions that propel your results forward. Now, obviously, this definition is a sales-related definition. However, we can twist it and change it slightly to fit your life goals. Positive momentum is built on the positive daily actions that move you closer towards your goals. My name is Joe, and I create fitness and life-related content that can help any average Joe, just like myself, lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. In the day and age we live in, we are often told that the small things don't really matter due to normally the scarcity around mental health. Miss a workout? Oh, don't worry, it's only one workout. Didn't get up on time? Oh, it's alright. Maybe your body needed the extra rest. Now, these statements can actually be correct, but you know, as well as I know, that it's not just one workout you miss. 9 times out of 10, that one workout you miss then leads into the next week because you think, oh, well, I missed one last week, so if I miss one this week, it probably doesn't matter. And then the next week, you miss 2 of your workouts because it's towards the end of the week and you couldn't really be bothered to go. And just like that, that one workout you missed spirals out of control and completely throws you off your workout routine. And it's probably not the fact that your body needed more rest. It's probably that you actually woke up and then just stayed in bed scrolling on social media for an hour. Probably sounds pretty familiar, doesn't it? So this is why, to create good long-term habits, you need to focus on the minute details of each and every single day. Now, I'll be completely honest with you, there's no sexy way to put consistency. But you know what consistency does? It gets results. Now, I'm not going to sit here on my high horse and go, yeah, I hit every single daily goal without fail, 24/7, 365 days a year, because I don't. So what do I do if I have a day where I don't really get much done, or a bad day in better terms? Simple. I don't have 2 bad days in a row. But what if I have a bad week altogether? Then I don't have 2 bad weeks in a row. You see, myself, I've been guilty of this in the past. Maybe I have a bad day, maybe I skip my workout, get up late, and don't really get much done. And instead of just accepting this and moving forward, I beat myself up for it. I get inside my head, and I absolutely hate myself for having that bad day. But what's the point of that? Because to build positive momentum, you don't need to be at 100%. You just need to be doing better than what you was previously. So if you was putting 25% of your efforts into your workouts, if you then increase this to 35% effort, you would see results. Yet people don't like to hear this because they're either 100% committed or 0%. Yet if you stuck at 50% for a considerable amount of time, then increase this slightly, then increased it again, you would see massive amounts of growth in whatever you're trying to work towards. Now, this second piece of advice is something you can do on a day-to-day basis, which I've implemented into my life, and it has really benefited me. So I recently read a book called The Gap and the Gain, which I would highly recommend. The one concept in the book is to write 3 wins from every single day so that you are constantly in the gain mindset. Now, you might be sitting there thinking, well, what if I don't have 3 wins from the day? What am I going to write then? So let me give you some examples that I've wrote down. Remembered to take supplements. Got in an hour of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. And this is my personal favourite. Although I scratched my car door handle, I'm glad it was against a barrier and not another car. You see, 99% of people would be absolutely raging that they scratched their car door. Which initially, of course I felt that. I was annoyed at myself, I was frustrated. These are normal human emotions. However, after this initial feeling, within the first 30 minutes, hour of it happening, I sort of sat on it and thought, imagine if that was a car next to me. I would have felt a lot more embarrassed. I didn't have a pen and paper to leave a note for them to call me. I would have had to just wait around for them to get to their car. But maybe I should just drive off and feel like an absolute scumbag for the rest of the day. But then if I didn't drive off, I'd have to pay a lot of money to get the scratch fixed, I would assume. So you see how I spun that into a positive? Although that it was something that's very annoying happened, and I felt that initially, in the long term, I turned that into a win. So that's the game. How can I make this into a gain in my life? Rather than being in the gap, which is feeling negative, feeling shitty about it, how can I make this a gain? Now, I'm not expecting you to initially be able to do this straight away. For example, if you break your leg, you're not just going to instantly break your leg and go, oh, this is absolutely fantastic. Thanks for breaking my leg. You're going to be in a lot of pain. You're going to be feeling frustrated and wishing that you would appreciate having a normal functioning leg before. As I said, it's not about how you initially react. It's about how you see this in the long term and how you use this, learn from it, and turn it into a win. Thank you for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, please remember to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, That's all from me. In a bit.